Hello. Hello, all entrepreneurs and business owners. I am Dr. Prashanthi Raj. I am a veterinary surgeon by profession. I am a gold medalist at the graduate level, and I have 2 postgraduate degrees. One that I have completed from Mumbai in surgery, and the second one is a master's by research that I completed from the UK, and that is on zoonotic infectious diseases. I'm just going to talk a little about myself. I've always been very goal oriented from childhood, and I've always been very focused on what I want to do, what I want to achieve. It's almost a single-minded focus, and that is what has brought me to where I am today. I had decided at a very early age what I wanted to be in life, which profession I wanted to take up. That's what I pursued. Right from the 7th standard, I was very clear. I did face a lot of opposition from home, but I still decided I have to do what I would like to do. We went through a lot of financial crises at home, but my mother was very supportive in terms of my education as well as the education of my 2 sisters. My elder sister is a dentist and my younger sister is an IT engineer. So my mother was very clear from the beginning that whatever else happens around us, we have to concentrate on our education, because that is going to be the basis for everything else in life, for achieving whatever we want. So that's what we did. We focused on our education, so that's how that was inculcated in us at a very young age, that education is most important, and that will get you everywhere in life, wherever you want to go, whether it be being financially independent, whether it be studying abroad, whether it be having your own business, your own practice. And there came a time after my first master's in Mumbai. I was already practicing with another veterinarian, and there came a time when I decided that I want to pursue further studies, but at that point I was not earning enough to fund my studies. Neither was it financially possible for my family to do so. I did apply for a bank loan, an education loan, but it was rejected because we didn't have collateral. So then I started applying for scholarships, and fortunately my academic record was such. My academic record has always been exemplary, so I did manage to get a full Commonwealth scholarship, and so pursuant to that I did a second master's in UK at the University of Edinburgh. And post that, after I finished that successfully, came back to India, set up my own practice, and I have been in practice since then. So my advice to anybody who wants to either start a business of their own, who feels that perhaps they may not be able to work like this independently, my advice to them is, first, have a very clear goal in your mind as to what you want to set up, what you want to achieve. Secondly, do your research. Do a lot of research. Find out what are the pros and cons of the business that you want to set up. Talk to a lot of people, not necessarily to take advice, but to see different perspectives. And do a lot of research. Now, of course, everything is so easily available online. All the information is available. Explore the market that you want to enter. Based on that, start it off. Take a loan if necessary. And persevere. Don't give up. Persevere at what you want. Persevere to achieve what, and decide what is it that you exactly want. And I'm sure you'll be successful. Thank you.